See this, guys, by just reading mails I am getting paid on by just clicking on this email IDs that I received on my mail, and I am getting paid. You can see this $3. Do you want to know how we can do it? By just conducting surveys as well, you can earn. You can see that per survey 0.5 to $1 per surveys. Cash out in PayPal account and getting paid a good amount of money. Okay, just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just following some simple steps. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just reading your email ID. Yeah, this is the website where you are getting paid for reading emails, conducting surveys and lots of things. Okay, so follow along this video guys, because you just see this, what you need to do. You can see this, you are receiving daily paid emails where you just need to click on this, read them for 30 seconds and that's it, you are going to paid. You can see this, quick payment process within 24 hours. Okay, low payout methods means if your wallet is having $15, you can pay out easily. Okay, you just need to see this, join and activate your account, you are getting paid. See this guys, again $3 by just signing up. Okay, take daily paid service. You can see this, earn up to this much per survey. Guys, from one survey you are getting at least $1. Okay, it's amazing guys. Okay, just one survey will take how much? 5 to 10 minutes guys. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. It's amazing guys. Okay, and you can also earn with referral system. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so what to do first, you just need to click on this sign in. Okay, sign up button, you just need to click on. Okay, you just need to select your first gender. Okay, your name, email ID, password. Okay, so I just quickly do it. Okay, my primary email I have put in and my password. Okay, just click on this sign up button and you are good to go. You can see this guys, so you are in this dashboard. One last step you need to do, you just need to give your last name. Okay, you just need to give your last name and you just need to give your zip code. Okay, so I just quickly give my zip code and terms and policies and this, I'm not a robot, that's it. Okay, just click on this sign up right now and I'll show you guys within few seconds you are getting $3. Okay, just wait for this some time and you are getting paid $3 bonus. Okay, you can see this. So you can see this guys, thank you, account activated. Okay, your paid to read email account is now active. $3 sign up bonus has been credited to your account. You can see this guys, this is my account and $3 in my pocket by just signing up. Okay, so you can see this guys, how much do I get paid. You can see the offers, free offers. Okay, books, entertainment and lots of stuffs that you can do here. So guys, one more thing you need to do here. Okay, in order to receive email or in order to receive emails, okay, for which you are getting paid, you just need to come up here in this email account and you can see that activate your paid to read email account. Okay, you just need to click on this website and you are redirected to this page. Okay, so now your account has been activated. Okay guys, so you are getting paid to read emails. So basically guys, within a few seconds or within few minutes you are eventually getting paid a some amount of emails to your account, and you just need to click on those emails and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so for this is one way to earn. Okay, another way is to just click on this surveys button. Okay, So you just need to click on this surveys button, and you can see that guys, there are 3 types of surveys that you can conduct. You can see that per survey $0.5 in your pocket. Okay, so just click on this thing, and by just conducting surveys guys, I think it's the best thing to earn part time. Okay, so you can see, you just need to click on these terms and conditions, and you are good to go. You can see this guys. Okay, just click on this save, and you are good to go. You can see this quality score, and you just need to fill up these details guys. It's very easy. Okay, anyone can do it, anyone can perform it wherever from you are from. Okay, you just need to give your details. Okay, make sure that you are do it quickly. Okay, it will take just some amount of time guys. Okay, to conduct these surveys. You can see this. Why I'm showing you these kind of things, because guys, lots and lots of people are asking me a question that sir, we can't able to do these kind of surveys. Okay, you just see this guys, male or female, yes or no, but that's it. Okay, that's it, what you need to do. Okay, you can see this. You just need to give the answers. If you could have any superpower, which one would you want? Okay, if you do not find out any of such answers, okay, I just want you to Google it. Okay, so just copy this question. Okay, just copy this question and just Google it. It's as simple as it is. Okay, you just need to Google it. You can see whatever it is guys, you just need to copy this answers and just paste it. Okay, so that guys, there is no ambiguity. Okay, you are not you can see this. I just need to copy paste this thing. Okay, just copy paste it, and you see this. I just show you the live demo. Just click on this continue. Okay, it should be, it's too long. Okay, so I just reduce it. Okay, now I'll see. You can see this guys. Okay, it will do some loading part, and you can see this. Your quality score is 69. Okay, not bad guys. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, you are you can conduct other surveys as well. Okay, you can see this. They are did the same thing guys. Okay, they are doing the same thing. You can see this. Just click on this birth. Okay, birth date. You can see birth date. I just need to select. Okay, month I just need to select, and the year of I just need to select, and just continue this. Okay, it's absolutely easy. So I just want you to increase your boost your income. For that, what you can do guys, what you can do, you just come up here, and you can also do the referral part. Okay, you just see this, refer your friends. Okay, you can refer your friends with this. Okay, so you can see this guys, you will be credited 15% of the referral earning guys. 15%. It's amazing guys, because most of the websites will give you approximately 10% of the income, but this website will give you 15% of the referrals earning. Okay, because ultimately someone is signing up, you are getting they are getting paid $3, and if they are doing some service as well, so you are getting paid for that. Okay, so guys, in order to get your referral referral link, you just need to click on this referral banner. Okay, you can see this guys, this is my referral link. Okay, which I can just copy it. Okay, which I just can copy it, and you can share it on your WhatsApp. Okay, whatever social media, Facebook and all. I just show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, just come up here in this Facebook account. Okay, and I'll show you how you yourself can earn a good amount of money. So what you can do guys, you just need to post it here. Okay, if you want to earn money. Okay, just need to click on this earn money online. Okay, just you need to post it your pay to read emails. Okay, and just wait for some time. You can see this guys. Okay, it's a genuine website, so they are not rejecting it. Okay, you can see this. So my link is there. Okay, so wait for this time. You can see this guys. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, earn cash for reading paid emails. Okay, so now what you can do guys, here you just need to type online earn money. Okay, you just need to type here online earn money. Okay, just click on this enter button. Okay, and you are on this website. Okay, so what you can do guys right now is to just click on one of the groups and you can post it on this platform. Okay, you can see this guys, you can post it on this platform, so that guys you are getting paid for that. You can see this, you just need to click on this earn online. Okay, and you can post it on their website link. Okay, earn money online. Okay, you just need to post your link here and that's it. Okay, just click on this post button and you are good to go. It's easy guys, these are the public groups that you can offer. Okay, you can just do some simple steps and you are getting paid for that. Okay, it's absolutely amazing guys. Okay, you can see this, so you can see the potential of this group. You can see this 11,000 people. Okay, and you can do it exponentially if you join the groups which are having higher members. Okay, so it's absolutely amazing website guys. Okay, one more thing I just need to give you is to how to redeem your points. Okay, so you just need to click on this your profile. Okay, so make sure that guys you are having your PayPal account. Okay, you just need to give your PayPal account and just click on this update button, and then what you can do here is to request payment. Okay, you just need to click on this request payment. So right now guys I don't have any balance. Okay, the minimum balance is $15. So in order to redeem, you can see this, you must earn at least $15. Okay, so a link would be generated. You just need to click on this points button and your PayPal account, whatever $15 or $16 whatever earning you are having, they are just redirected to your PayPal account. Okay, so it's absolutely amazing guys. You just need to conduct surveys and getting paid on your PayPal account. Okay, and you are getting paid for reading emails. Okay, and you can even set up this pay rate of this email. You can see this guys, if you want to earn more, you can select those emails which are having $0.1 pay rate. Okay, by just clicking on you are getting paid $0.1. Okay, so you can even manage that thing as well. Okay, so it's absolutely amazing guys, and for 100 points you are getting paid $1. If you are having 100 points you are getting paid $1. Okay, it's good. So you can conduct these additional surveys as well. You can see this guys, these are the additional surveys that are coming up on front of you. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you like this video guys. If you want to learn more strategies to earn money, then you can just click on this like button and hit the subscribe button, so that guys there is always a motivation to give you the best content. And one more thing I just need to give you guys, if you are having any queries, you just need to write down this comment section. Okay, and please write it down that which country you are belong to, so that guys I just get to know that who are my audience and discuss about your profile. Okay, so that I will make videos as per your niche. Okay, so this is it for this video. Happy learning.